In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Shadow Sorcerer in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Shadow Sorcerer is a character available in Cursed Arena. As you can see, if we go over to the character window, he is available here for us to select. However, you will notice that if you try to change to him and use the moveset, usually you get a message at the bottom right corner of the screen telling you that you don't have this moveset. This is because the moveset actually needs to be unlocked. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can unlock the moveset for Shadow Sorcerer and how you can use it on public or private servers. So for you to actually unlock him, you will need to kill a boss and you will have a chance of getting him. So the boss that you need to kill is going to be the Sorcerer Hunter. So the Sorcerer Hunter has a chance of randomly spawning on any public or private server as a boss, and the top 3 people who deal the most amount of damage will have a chance of getting the Shadow Sorcerer. So just chill in a server, and once you see the spawn announcement, go check to see if it is Toji or the Sorcerer Hunter. So once you kill him, if you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have roughly a 19 or 12% chance of getting the Shadow Sorcerer. So all that you have to do is kill him. If you are on a private server, it usually takes 25 minutes to spawn. If you are on a public server, it can take less. And you can also choose the option to buy a boss ticket. So as you can see, for 145 Robux, you can just spawn the boss on your own. And by doing this, you will be able to try to kill him, be in the top 3% damage dealers, and then you will have a chance of getting the Shadow Sorcerer moveset. After you get the moveset, you can use it on public or private servers, but to keep it simple and answer the question in the title of this video, all that you have to do is kill a boss, and if you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have a chance of getting the Shadow Sorcerer moveset in Cursed Arena. So walk up to him, participate in the battle, and see if you are able to get it. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Shadow Sorcerer in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.